Looking to explore the most captivating destinations in the USA in 2024, wondering where to begin your adventure? Let's delve into the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities that will leave you in awe. First up, have you ever dreamed of standing in the shadow of towering mountains and vibrant cliffs? Look no further than the enchanting Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. Its vastness will surely make your heart skip a beat. Next, picture yourself strolling along the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, with the stunning San Francisco skyline as your backdrop. This iconic city by the bay is brimming with culture, history, and a food scene that will make your taste buds dance. Ready for some natural wonders? The Great Smoky Mountains National Park, straddling North Carolina and Tennessee, offers breathtaking vistas and diverse wildlife. The magnificent waterfalls will leave you enchanted. Heading further east, the charming city of Charleston, South Carolina, with its cobblestone streets and pastel-colored antebellum houses, will transport you back in time. Immerse yourself in its rich history and southern charm. Last but not least, set sail to the idyllic Hawaiian island of Maui. From its pristine beaches to its lush valleys and majestic waterfalls, Maui is a paradise that will leave you rejuvenated and inspired. These incredible destinations are just a glimpse of the beauty that awaits in the USA in 2024. So pack your bags, capture breathtaking moments, and share your journey on social media to make your adventure truly unforgettable and inspire others to embark on their own.